Welcome back to my channel, the Queen Phoenix. Today's pattern is called a mini sun hat keychain. So we've got the keychain and now we're going to make the charm that's gonna hang on your keychain, and this is it. So let me just move that out of the way. For this project you will, let me just grab some of the yarn, need any scraps of yarn that you have lying around. You don't have to make this in 2 colors. You can make this in 1 color, 4 colors, whatever you want. The choice is actually yours. So this is the scrap yarn I'm using. You also need a pair of scissors to do some cutting, a darning needle to work your ends in, a crochet hook of the same size, of the correct size. If you don't have a crochet hook, it's not a darning needle, it's not a train smash, use a smaller size crochet hook. And of course, you need the key ring piece. So this is all you need for this project. If you have a little girl, this will be a perfect little gift for her bag. You can put it on a zip and just hang it on a bag. So let's start this. Let me move all of this out of the way. So for this, we're going to start with, let's use this color, a magic ring or a magic circle, whichever one you want to call it. You will start by chaining 3. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet throughout this entire project. Into this ring or circle, please work 9 double crochets. This is the 9th one. Pull your magic ring closed. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain that you initially started with. Make sure your magic ring is nice and tight. This is row 1. For row 2, chain 3. You're going to make 1 double crochet in the same stitch right next to your 3 chain. Your repeat for this round is 2 double crochet in each stitch around. When you get to the end of this round, you will have a total of 20 double crochets. This is 19 and 20. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the beginning. Row 2 is complete. Row 3, chain 3. 1 double crochet in each stitch around. Only 1, please. So that's 2. When you get to the end of this row, you will have a total of 20 double crochets. This is the last stitch. You want to slip stitch into your 3 chain space. Now we're going to change color. Whichever way you want to change color is fine. I'm just going to do that. If you cut your yarn, you can insert it in any one of the stitches. The choice is yours. You will chain 3 with your new color, and you'll make 1 double crochet in each stitch around. This is row 4, by the way. When you get to the end of this row, you will have a total of 20 stitches. I'm just working all my tails away all at the same time. It's just quicker so that I don't have to come back later and do the same thing again. This is row 4 complete. I'm going to slip stitch into the third chain again, and again I'm changing color. I'm going back to my original color. Just move that out of the way. You can join on any one of the stitches. So when you change color, you are on row number 5. For row 5, single crochet immediately into any one of those stitches. In the same stitch, chain 2 and make 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch. Your repeat for this round is 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the same stitch, chain 2, work 3 double crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet all in that 1 stitch. Skip 1 and repeat. A single crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet. Skip a stitch and repeat to the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row, slip stitch into the last, or the base, I should rather say, the base of your first single crochet that you made. Now, of course, you're going to work away your tails. I'm doing the same, working away the tail that I initially started with. Now I'm going to put some yarn on this darning needle because I want to make a ribbon. So I'm going in and I'm going to just jump every 2 stitches and pull my yarn in until I'm back where I will need to be. Flattening it a bit. And however you tie a knot and a bow, I leave to you. Okay, let me get them about the right same size. This is how far we're at. And I'm going to open this jump ring and attach it. So my bow is here and I'm going straight ahead right to the opposite side and I'm attaching right there. There you go. All done, and it's extremely quick to make up. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, all of that. Most importantly, enjoy crocheting. Take care. Cheers. Queen Phoenix out.